Good evening, students. Let's start today's lecture. Some more examples of simplification. Here we have the example of. Okay. So first we need to understand that our BODMAS is saying that first we need to solve the brackets. Parenthesis is there, so we need to solve this particular thing first. And simultaneously, we need to change the mixed fraction into improper fractions. Like 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. We have changed here. Of as it is, then come into the brackets 5 or 3 and 5, LCM of 3 and 5, LCM of 3 5, that is 15. So 15 is our LCM. 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9. Okay, 1 by 2, 5 by 11. Okay, next 11 by 2 of this becomes, the parenthesis is removed now, 10 minus 1, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11. Okay, now we need to solve of. Of means product of these two. Product means simply multiplication. Multiplication means denominator multiplied by denominator and numerator multiplied with numerator, means simple multiplication of fraction. Simple multiplication of fraction means A cross B into C into D. So we multiply A with C and B is with C. The resultant is AC upon BD. Like that. Or you can take another example for justifying this, like 5 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 7. So 5 multiplied with 3, that is 15, and 6 multiplied with, this is the product. In the place of multiply, if we write of, the resultant will be same, because of represent the multiplication or product. Okay, so here we have to do like this. Don't ever try to change this sign with multiplication, because if you change the sign, you will get confused by division or multiplication, and you will always solve division first. So don't change the off sign. Just product these two values which are given, means 11 multiplied by, like that, and 2 multiplied by 5 plus 1 by 2, 5 by, okay, 11 upon 30. 15 2s are 30, 11 1s are 11, plus 1 by 2 divided by 5 by 11. Now we need to solve the division first. Division, because addition is later on. So division, and we can solve the division in fraction by converting it into multiplication with the help of reciprocal. 1 by 2 and reciprocal of 5 by 11, that becomes 11 by 5, and the sign is changed into multiplication. Now one more multiplication is there, 11 by 30 plus 11 1s are 11 and 5 2s are 10. Okay, now here, come here, LCM of 30 and 10, that becomes 30, means 11 plus 11 3s are 33, that is 43 by 30 is our answer. Okay, sorry, it became 44 by 30. Okay, so you can simplify also. If you want to simplify, that becomes 1, first it will be simplified, that 22 upon 15, and no more simplification is there, so 22 by 15, and that becomes 1 whole 7 by 15 is the answer. Okay, let's take one more example. So here one more example with the bar in fraction values. So first we need to solve this bar. Simultaneously we need to convert the mixed fraction value into improper fraction values. 4 5s are 20 and 24 by 5, then division. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Remember this, here is no sign is there, we will discuss later on. 4 1s are 4 plus 5 by 4 minus. Now we need to solve this. So 5 and 4, LCM of 5 4 that is 20. So 20 that is 5 minus 4. Okay. Now 24 by 5. 11 upon 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 by 4 minus 1 upon 20. Now we need to solve this parenthesis. We have solved the bar first. Now we have to solve parenthesis. 24 by 5 divided by 11 upon 5 minus 1 by 2. In parenthesis, LCM of 4 and 20, that is 20. 5 5 the 25 minus 1. Okay. 11 by 5 minus 1 by 2. See that clearly here is no sign. Where the no sign is there, we assume as multiplication or product. So after removing the bracket, we need to here put the multiplication sign. If no sign is there and after bracket value is given, so you need to multiply the value. So this become 24 by 20. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2 12s are, we can simplify here. Then 4 3s are and 4 5s are. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. Now 24 by 5 divide by, then 11 by 5 minus 3 by 5. 24 by 5. Now 5 5 LCM is same. 11 minus 3. 24 by 5 divide by 8 upon 5. Now come here, 8 upon 5. So we need to again take the reciprocal and change the sign into multiplication. 24 by 5 into 5 upon 8. 5 ones are 5, this is cancel out. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are, and our answer is 3. This is the last example for this particular chapter. So this chapter is over, chapter number 6. Okay.